ETH cost streaks indications of negativity on 7 days cost diagram. Or so they generally thought. ETH in every way that really matters faces obstruction at $1,364.37 in a for the most part significant manner. 24-hour exchanging volume for Ethereum explicitly is floating at $4,381,507,895 in a quite large manner. The EMA 50 essentially is at present at $1,421.10 in an extremely significant manner. 08 July 2023. In this video we will walk you through Ethereum cost examination for now, or for exceptionally 1 week from now, and in every practical sense, attempt to answer these often all things considered, clarified pressing issues. Facts. What fundamentally is transient cost expectation for Ethereum? Essentially is ETH a very wise venture, which fundamentally is very critical. Ethereum support and opposition levels and so on in an unobtrusive manner. In any case, prior to plunging truly profound into the ETH specialized examination, for the most part allowed us essentially to discuss the in every practical sense current economic situations in a kind of large manner. Market examination over the truly last 24 hours, there basically was a destruction of 1.84%. Bringing the really whole digital money market to $1,177,112,561,953 in a by and large significant manner. The complete exchanging volume really remains at $20,577,638,440 in an essentially significant manner. Bitcoin shares 49.89% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a strength of 16.33%, showing how 08 July 2023, in this video, we will especially walk you through Ethereum cost examination for now or for in every way that really matters, 1 week from now, and basically attempt to answer these much of the time, most certainly clarified some pressing issues. Facts. What truly is in every practical sense, momentary cost expectation for Ethereum, certainly is ETH a by and large wise speculation. Or so they explicitly thought, which generally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $30,231.42 level after a decay of 0.54%, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum essentially has seen a value reduction of 0.65%, coming to $1,860.73 during the past 24 hours, by and large further appearance. How the especially complete exchanging volume explicitly remains at $20,577,638,440 in an unobtrusive manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $236.78 following a value change of 0.44%. Inside a similar time span in an unobtrusive manner. XRP, the sort of local coin of XRP especially, is up by 0.66. And as of now exchanging at 47 cents. So 08 July 2023, in this video, we will essentially walk you through Ethereum cost examination for now, or for genuinely 1 week from now, and sincerely attempt to answer these regularly explicitly got clarification on pressing issues. Facts. What certainly is extremely momentary cost expectation for Ethereum, most certainly is ETH a generally excellent speculation, which explicitly is genuinely critical. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, so 24-hour exchanging volume for Ethereum really is floating at $4,381,507,895, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. These occasions especially demonstrate that the market in every practical sense is going in a descending heading for essentially present moment, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. As of now, a truly broad really regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market. So 24-hour exchanging volume for Ethereum explicitly is drifting at $4,381,507,895 in an in every practical sense enormous way. Ethereum backing and opposition backing and obstruction by and large are significant specialized pointers used to generally recognize sort of key cost levels, where the pattern can take a different path, which in a real sense is very critical. Support basically is a level at which purchasers especially become significantly more in every way that really matters, dynamic, and most certainly prevent the coin's cost from falling any genuinely further, in an especially huge manner. Similarly, obstruction generally is a level at which vendors for the most part move genuinely dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from moving kind of higher in an especially significant manner. Following for the most part are the help and opposition levels of Ethereum. Ethereum execution. The cost of Ethereum ETH is at $1,860.73, down 0.65% in the by and large beyond 24 hours, and basically has a value change of 3.24% throughout the week, showing how market examination over the very last 24 hours, there explicitly was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the very whole cryptographic money market to $1,177,112,561,953 in a genuinely significant manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC really is $4,381,507,895.00 United States dollars. While kind of all out, market cap came to $223,676,450,951 United States dollars. In an extremely enormous manner, there fundamentally are just about 120,209,152 explicitly are available for use out of 120,209,152, or so they basically thought. Ethereum Value Examination ETH Cost Investigation for 08 July 2023, inside an essentially day-to-day time period, fundamentally made sense of beneath. So however prior to plunging certainly profound into the ETH specialized examination, certainly let us in a real sense discuss the ongoing economic situations, which for the most part is genuinely critical. We utilize extremely relative strength index RSI, moving kind of normal combination and difference, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including genuinely straightforward moving fundamentally normal, SMA, and dramatic moving commonly normal, EMA, to dissect the future development of the Ethereum, essentially further appearance how 08 July 2023. In this video we will walk you through Ethereum cost examination for now, or for essentially 1 week from now, and most certainly attempt to answer these regularly, by and large clarified some pressing issues, facts. What sort of is especially transient cost expectation for Ethereum? Essentially is ETH in every way that really matters. Why is interest in a by and large enormous manner? The MACD line basically is remaining above of the kind of sine line after a quite sure hybrid, so the all-out exchanging volume for the most part remains at $20,577,638,440, which fundamentally is genuinely huge. Ethereum financial backers need to really sit tight for any directional change over the everyday graph, or so they basically thought. RSI suggesting combination